Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and today we've got another edition of Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds. Welcome back everybody. First of all, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates like this Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds video. So let's get started. So our first product is a staple not only of model railroading but of crafts in general, and that is white glue. And here I have 2 bottles of white glue. It's one of those things that you need plenty of it to make a model railroad, which means you can never have enough. And this is 2 little bottles of white glue for $1 at the dollar store. Now you guys know I'm an absolute nut about storing and organizing things with my layouts, but specifically with details. And I found these 10 little food containers at the dollar store, and I thought they would be absolutely perfect for organizing all of my little detail parts. You can organize your figures and all your other little detail parts. That's a 10 pack of these little containers at the dollar store. This next item is a 350 count of cotton swabs, or Q-tips as the name brand goes. Now these are really great for cleaning different mechanical devices or getting into really small spaces where you don't want to bring a lot of cleaning product into, such as track, such as locomotives and rolling stock, or if you want to apply some stuff in some very small areas. These cotton swabs have a lot of different applications with model railroading, and once again, they're $1 at the dollar store. Now the next item I immediately grabbed as soon as I saw it. I have been looking for something to carry around little paintbrushes and tools all around the layout without having to carry around one of my larger toolboxes. And this was absolutely perfect for that. It's got 3 little containers and a little handle. That way I can move around all my little paintbrushes and tools around the layout very easily. Now my last item is a little unique because I'm using it for something that it is not typically used for. It's an ashtray. And when I looked at this particular ashtray with the center ridge on it, I thought that is a really great item for holding wet paintbrushes that you are constantly swapping back and forth with when you are doing different modeling. So I thought that this was an absolute great and clean way to hold paintbrushes. It's got its little container to hold any paint that drips, and it can sit there and hold brushes that you're constantly swapping back and forth with. So that's an ashtray that can double as a paintbrush holder. So those are my 5 items for this time for Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds. I hope this helps you out and gives you a little bit of inspiration to think outside of the box when it comes to your model railroading products, supplies, and accessories. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates like this Dollar Store Model Railroad Finds video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading!